Hi, in the last video I shared with you how to open the form and then how to that a user can do this way, right? See that I can double click on this item and I can locate I can change, update the things. But the real world is that the list will grow, so we're not going to search it all the way, right? Unless your items are very less, then you can double click on it. So a better way should be like this, that let's say I want to look at certain employee names, right? So I start with the can and I'll find a few employee name that has the word Kent, so I can just go for it, double click on this. So yeah, this is the one I want, and I want to locate the ID. So let's just click on this. It shows me that it's on the number 3. See, look at that. This is on row 3. And let me just delete this. I just want to go for Joan. Yeah, Joan Lau. Double click. And I click on command button. Now notice this will change. Yeah. So look at that. It's number 6. So on the row 6 with the ID number 5. So with these informations, I can do the same, right? Like just go back and change the code accordingly. Like where if you recall that we have a code for here. See, this is the one. So this is where the click is done, then we are searching the buttons. This is what we learned in the last video, so we can change accordingly. Now this ability would not be possible without a gentleman sharing his code. And let's welcome the person. Is the name of xlvba. Oh well, actually it's like here. His name is here, Paul Kelly, the founder of Excel Macro Mastery. It's really a master, yeah. And so I really salute that this gentleman, right? He knows how to his give really. So in this video he will share with you how to install the searchable drop down list. Okay, so thanks for watching. So this is a more nicer way, right, to search this. That's so cool. Let's see, I can look for the one and then I can just click on it. God bless you. God bless Asia. Together we excel before 50.